Hello guys, today we will discuss question 27. The question is, in a common emitter amplifier circuit using an NPN transistor, the phase difference between the input and the output voltage will be. The options are first 45 degrees, second 90 degrees, third 135 degrees, and fourth 180 degrees. Now here the correct option is 180 degree because as we know as here the input voltage must be forward bias, output voltage must be reverse bias, so the V input must be out of phase of V output. As the input voltage, let's write it first, input voltage is forward bias, and the output is output voltage is reverse biased. So V voltage input must be out of phase of V output. So okay, so the phase angle would be 180 degrees. Okay. No, the correct option is 4. Thank you.